Woodleys Farm Day Nursery, set in its own grounds, nestled in the heart of the Northamptonshire countryside. Just 2 minutes drive from junction 15 of the M1, you would never know we were that well connected. But look a little closer, it's also home to our friends. In our learning, we aim to mix the past and the present with our future. Only by showing where we have come from can we truly see where we are going, where objects and ideas blend to form the basis of stories, tales and conversations. For after all, reading is only dreaming with your eyes open. Children have the freedom to learn at their own pace, in their own way, transitioning in their own time as they would at home. It is most definitely their environment to own, to modify and to develop. We, as adults, teachers and carers, are merely the bystanders on their journey, and as they grow, we know in time they will forget our names and our faces, but what they will never forget is the love of learning that began at Woodleys Farm.